Hello students, today's topic is self-actualization. Self-actualization means जब हमें internally कोई चीज़ realize हो. जैसे all are saying that God is there. Some believe, some do not believe. Why they do not believe? Because they do not see the God. We all know God is everywhere and always watches us. And you have seen many people means we can see all people. They worship in different places. Why? Because they think that when they will go to temple, church or mosque, then only the God is happy or will be able to listen their prayer. But ऐसा नहीं है. प्रेयर आपको मन से करना चाहिए. जब आप मन से प्रेयर करेंगे देन गॉड विल बी कनेक्टेड टू यू. वी ऑल नो दैट गॉड टॉक्स विथ अस ड्यूरिंग द प्रेयर. जब हम सच्चे मन से प्रेयर करते हैं तो हमसे भगवान बात करते हैं. देयर आर डिफरेंट मीन्स ऑफ प्रेयर्स, customs, many things. Now I will tell you some stories related to God's belief. The person or the people who believe and who do not believe. How they have reached the position or how much struggle they have done to get the God or they were able to talk to the God. Now first story we will take of Swami Vivekanand. There was a play where two students were ready to go and see the play. First one was very excited whereas the another one was not so much excited. He thought that they are going for the picture and all that. But when he heard about the drama, they said that we both will go. And they were excited because of that also, that their one of the friend was doing acting in the drama. After a long struggle, they reached the auditorium. The auditorium was full covered. Covered in a sense, it was fully with the public. Now, the story or the drama we can say has been started. In the drama, Mother Bhuneshwari Devi was telling a story to her 6-year-old boy. You know who was the boy? The boy was Swami Vivekanand. The mother told that yesterday I told you story about Ramayana and today I will tell you the story about the Lord Jesus. The master of Lord Jesus taught his disciples and people through stories and parables. Name Good Samaritan. A Jewish man from Jerusalem was heading to Jericho. Suddenly a group of people attacked him and took all his belongings and beat him very badly and left him on roadside bleeding and almost breathless. Now after few minutes later, a priest came along the same path and noticed the man lying side of the road, half dead and crying for help. But he went away, as he has not seen any man. After an hour, a Levite came there. They are the people who assist priests in their religious work. They also say the man, but they went away without helping. After a few minutes later, another man came. He was from Samaritan community with whom Jesus had no Jews had no contact, and they are known as enemies. But as soon as he saw a wounded man, he went to him and cleaned his wounds and put bandage on his sores. Then he took the man on his donkey and he took him to an inn and paid the innkeeper and asked him to take care till he returns, and also promised to pay him if anything costs extra required. Now, hearing this story, I can only say that we should live like brother and sisters and love each other irrespective of the caste, creed, or religion. That we should not help the people by seeing that he belongs to this caste or this religion or to other tribes. We should be always ready to help the people, those who are belonging to any caste or creeds. There are many people who have attended God realization. They have done many great deeds for the world because they are invincible and have indomitable strength of mind. For example, Mirabai, Kabir Das, Surdas, Sri Narayan Guru, and Saint Chavra are few among them. Now, I will let you know another story of a barber. A man went to barber shop to get his hair cut in salon. After having talked among themselves, the barber said, "I do not believe in God." The man asked, "Why, sir?" He said, "Because I see all around people are suffering so much. If the God is there, is it possible that the people will suffer?" The man was quiet for a minute. Then he went away by saying, "See you later." Next, as he came outside, he saw a man without haircut. He got an idea. He took him inside the saloon and said, "Look, here are no barbers exist. If the barbers were there, then why there are people without haircut? So barber do not exist according to me." The barber said that, "Listen it. If not the people of the problem of barber, this is not the problem of barber. This is the problem of the person or the people who does not go to barber." Then man said, "Exactly. People do not experience God as they do not go to God. Those who go to God and trust Him, they live very peacefully." Now, next story, that God is around us. Now, a baby fish in the ocean asked mother fish, "Where is the ocean, mom?" "All are coming to see ocean." Mother fish said, "Oh daughter, we are in the ocean. We live and move in the ocean." The baby fish said, "I can't see any ocean. It is only water, mother." Then mother fish said, "We are surrounded by God. We are shrouded in divine presence. Still we say that we don't see God." I hope you will understand the lesson.